Wait, this has vocals in it?
Yes,
Oh.
exactly. This is
Yes.
that you have on your.
Yes.
Get to hear you, darling. It was a year ago.
Yes, Daddy.
Take my life and use me as you please.
I mean, think about it. It's a year ago.
Yeah. Girl, I'm telling you, you don't want to hear her.
You don't want to hear our like this cringing. It's like seriously cringe. Like you're just like.
Anybody found that? That's like, that's like unworthy.
Even like the song that we recorded with him last year too. If you ever listen to it,
Never let me go. Never let me go. Never let me go.
yes, Derby.
That's the chorus.
Never let me go.
The times when I stumble, my battle seems so hard for me to bear. I scream out your name, my
Did she record this like
voice
here?
on my knees.
Yeah.
Or like here in this like behind these
I scream.
behind this window?
I think we may have done it with the laptop that day, right?
Yeah.
Wasn't
I
it?
think we just in here.
Exactly, yes.
Maybe today
yes.
we could go in the back.
Yes. This is just scratch vocals, just for composition, right?
Oh Lord, please use me. Hold my heart and never let me go. Never let me go. Never let me go. Never let me go.
She's like, what was that?
Never let me go. I say never let me go. Never let me go. Never let me go. Never let me go.
Hey, we got the vocalist in the house.
Father, come
That's the
take
bridge.
me, hold me, and use me as you please. Jesus, come take
You
me,
know the whole song.
hold me, and use me as you please. As you please, I say, Lord, please use me.
I like the chords.
Take my life,
Like the chords.
me
The
as
chord
you
progression.
Oh,
It's not
This is
just
really good. It's like, you know what I mean?
no, not like
Stuff, yeah.
you know what I mean. It's just like
Okay.
I like the
heart and never let
like the chords. Those like there's some minor chords in
harmony?
there, right?
What's that?
There's some minor chords in there, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mhm.
I like minor chords.
Yes.
never let go. Never let go. Oh, no, let me go. Never let me go. Never let me go. Never let me go.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so-
Yeah.
I think the last time that you heard this song was a year ago, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
So right now, what we have to do is get reacquainted with the song because this is just
Rough draft.
the rough draft, so to speak. And we have to identify where the verses are, which part is the chorus, which part is the bridge. And so let me play it again. Give you your pen.
You need him to write the words down?
Oh no, not necessarily, not the words, but just at which point the verse, the bridge, the chorus. Okay, you want me to do that? Or
I can try.
Okay, all right.